Hey guys, so what you just heard was my 2017 GMC Sierra. It's got the 6.2 liter. So what I did to it was just a muffler delete, as the title suggests. Got rid of the factory muffler. Had a pipe welded in the in-between. I kept the factory clamp that opens and closes and ended up just clamping it open, as what most guys do. Just take a hose clamp, radiator hose clamp, any type of clamp, and keep that valve open, and that's the kind of sound you'll get. With the valve closed, when you're just cruising around, it was almost like you didn't delete the muffler at all. It was just that quiet. It doesn't drone at all. It's actually super quiet, believe it or not, because you still have this giant resonator sitting up in there. What I'm gonna do next now, I've had this for about a month and a half set up like this. I bought a brand new Corsa exhaust because I'm gonna buy headers as well. So here's the Corsa exhaust, and this is what I'm gonna be setting up now. So I'll be making a video about that, so subscribe if this helps you out, give it a like, and I'll see you guys next time.